Hey guys, how are we doing today? Thanks for clicking this video and hanging out to see what in the world I'm talking about today. Let me just tell you, I'm talking about the palette that I used to do this eye look here. It's pretty simple today, but I will tell you, I have had this on for 12 hours and it's still looking quite great. Let me tell you what I'm talking about, and I am so excited about this palette. I did not know this was coming in the mail. It showed up and I could not have been more pleased. This is the Alter Ego Daydream Palette. If you check some of my last videos, they also sent me a goddess palette is what it was called. And it was kind of a dupe for Natasha Denona. It was browns and greens and golds and super pretty, super great. I thought it was a good palette. Just, you know, I mean, it was good, but I wasn't so excited about it. This showed up, and let me show you this palette. I have not been so excited for a palette in a long time. What does that look like to you? This one is a dupe for the Huda Beauty Nudes palette. Y'all, it has the same marbled shimmers here. It has the same cream, and now I have color in it, cream concealer. These are amazing. It has pressed glitters and all of these nude, these kind of like mauvey purple nude toned colors. I have been using this for about a week now. I absolutely love it. Like, y'all know, you've been here for a while. I do not sit here and say I love something if I don't love it. I've been using this palette every day for almost a week. I got it last week out of the blue, opened it up, and was just shook. I was so excited because I wanted that Huda palette, but y'all know I don't like to spend that hard-earned money unless I know I'm gonna love it. And it was $60 some for a palette, so I've just been kind of pushing it off, putting it off, like I'll eventually get it, I'll get it, maybe she'll have a sale, something. But y'all, Alter Ego sent me this just for me to check it out, like no strings attached, anything like that. But y'all, I'm gonna put a code on the screen because they did give me a code if y'all want to order it to get, I think it's like 10% off or something. Super awesome. I don't make anything on it, but I love this palette so much. I want y'all to try it. I'm gonna swatch some of these colors because they're amazing. These matte blend effortlessly, true to color, amazing, and they wear all day. And these shimmers are like butter. Amazing, absolutely amazing, and I love them. Let's just swatch some of them for you. Look at this. You see these? Let's just do it. Look. Just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And some of these matte, oh my lord. I'm gonna swatch my favorite ones for you. Gorgeous. They swatch a little bit powdery, and yes, I have a hairy arm. Thank you. But they apply so amazing. So absolutely freaking amazing. And they stay all day, y'all. This is 12 hours. No touch-ups, no anything. Like, has the glitter kind of moved into my crease? Yes, I have hooded eyes, y'all. It's no secret. But the colors are still true. The placement is good. There's no bald spots, no patchiness, nothing wearing off. Still looks good. I'm shook. Y'all, if you get any palette that I've ever talked about in my life, get this one. Get it. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. It has been sitting on my desk since I got it, and I have not stopped using it. It survived a day in the pool, y'all. Now, granted, it wasn't perfect when I got out of the pool, but my eyes were not naked. It outlasted my mascara. This is true, y'all. This is true. So, I'm just saying. I love it. I'm going to insert a clip of me doing my eye makeup this morning so y'all can see it. I'm going to speed it up a little bit because, you know, girl likes to play. It takes a couple minutes and nobody wants to sit and watch all that. So I'm going to insert that. Let me know what you think down below. Take a look at this. I'll link their website down in the description box. Let me know what you think. And let me know what you think about this whole dupe situation. Like, I don't mind it because for me, I've been putting off buying that palette because it was $60, you know? And this quality is good. It's really good. If you can afford it and you think the quality in Huda is better, go get that one. I'm not telling anybody not to buy anything. It's just giving two options, you know? But I'm so happy that I got this. Like, I'm so grateful, so absolutely 100% grateful that they sent this to me, and they are the sweetest people. So go check this out. Like, go look at their website. I know they told me they were putting out a new palette every single month for the rest of the year. So I am super eager. I'm going to keep my eye on that website. I'm going to see what is happening, what is coming out. I'm so excited. Y'all, I got this, and these two have been sitting here on my desk, and I have not opened them yet. Y'all know I love my Jeffree Star shadows. Like, come on, for real. You know I love them. I haven't opened these yet. That says a lot to me. From me, it says a lot. Anyways, thank y'all for hanging out. Go ahead and smash a button somewhere down below. If it's a like, if it's a dislike, if it's a subscribe, I'd be greatly appreciated. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this palette, if you might be interested in it. It is cruelty-free, super affordable, y'all. Just let me know what you think. Until next time, guys. Bye.